Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. From last few videos we are talking about the connecting the device using Bluetooth, and in this video we will continue our discussion and learn connecting as a server. So to connect as a server we need two objects, one is Bluetooth server socket and another is Bluetooth socket. So let's have a look to the code, because some codes are blocking, and that's why we will create all the things in a separate thread. So here private class server class that extends thread, and here first we will create an object of Bluetooth server socket, that is server socket, and in the constructor we will initialize this using Bluetooth adapter dot listen using RF COM with service record, and here we will provide two parameters, that is first is an string, and this string may be anything, and generally we use application name, okay, and second is UUID. This UUID is the same that we have discussed in previous videos. So we will generate a unique ID and then provide in the method. Now after the constructor we will also use public void run, and in the run method let's have a look what we do. So in the run method first we will create an object of Bluetooth socket, that is socket, and the value will be null, and in the next line we will create a while loop. While the socket is equal to null, the server socket dot accept will accept the incoming connection from the client, and when this connection will establish, this accept method will return a socket, and that we will catch in this socket object. Okay, now we have a socket that is connected to the client device, and here if the socket is not equal to null, then we will do something for send and receive. So basic idea is same. First we will create a socket and listen for the connection, and when the connection will establish we will get a socket, and this socket we will use to send and receive the messages. So friends, let's continue our previous project, and for that let's go to the Android Studio. This is the same project that we have created in the last video. So let's continue, and for that first we will create two objects, private static final string and app name, and equal to bt chat. Same here, private static final UUID. My UUID equal to UUID dot from string, and here paste the UUID. Okay, now we have two objects, and let's create a separate class for server. Private class server class extends thread, and here first create an object of Bluetooth server socket, private Bluetooth server socket. Server socket. And here create constructor. Public server class. And here server socket equal to this Bluetooth adapter. Bluetooth adapter dot listen using RFCOM with service record. And here provide two argument. First is app name, comma, my UUID. Now it is showing error, so press Alt Enter and surround with try catch. Outside the constructor, public void run. And in the run, first create Bluetooth socket. Bluetooth socket equal to null. And here while socket equal to null, socket equal to server socket dot accept. Now again it is showing error, so press Alt Enter and surround with try catch. Now before it connect, let's create message. So message equal to message dot obtain. Next line message dot what equal to state underscore connecting. And in the next line handler dot send message. Okay. Now if the exception will occur, we will again type the message. So copy this and paste here. And in that case message dot what will be state underscore connection failed. Okay, so in case of exception, the connection fail will be sent to the handler. Now if socket is not equal to null, that is connection is established, first break the loop. Okay, and before breaking the loop we will again send the message. state connected. And first we will send the message to the handler, that is state connected, and after that we will write some code for send receive. And after that the while loop will break. Okay, now one thing is remaining, that is when we will click on this listen button, this code should be executed. Okay, and for that in the implement listeners listen dot set on click listener new on click listener, and here create object of server class. Okay, so when we will click the listen button, an object will create it and the thread will start. So friends, this is enough for this connect as a server. In the next video we will learn how to connect as a client, and then the next video will be how to send and receive messages. So thanks for watching. In the next video we will learn about connect as a client. So meanwhile, please like this video and also subscribe this channel. See you in the next. Till then, bye.